Nigo aseri bagari omu county commissioner bwe county ya Nyamira omu deputy county commissioner asensemo ya Nyamira North Malak Namai abaga kwene kiabuna omukagero yoberega kubekwa byara asatangira segeta seni kyabanyanyimbo eryogo konya ase obotuki nabo igo kunenki wa mono.
We learned of this through social media in the morning. Sources of information, as you know, that is it happened in the Riang'ombe primary school, in Esise ward, in Borabu, and immediately we swung to action. We've already sent a team from the from the Department of Education who have done a very elaborate report about it, and immediately the teacher was arrested. So that should be around 10 to 11 in the morning. Yeah.
By our chairman that nobody should go to school to cause chaos, and the parents should not withdraw their children from the school. The offense has been committed by one teacher, and I believe action is going to be taken.
From our deputy county commissioner is that the school is supposed to be a safe zone for a runner. That's issue number one. Issue number two, there are those who are advocating that, we are having difficult